Hey, Senior Home Business family, I want to bring you a video today. I know it's Sunday night, I'm out in the patio. My voice is a little scratchy, apologize for that. But I was thinking about you. Think about where you are today. And I know if you're in a place that I was 2018, you're like, man, I want to start a business. I want to do something for myself. I want more family time. I want to help people. And I want to make a lot of money doing it. And that was me. And the thing you don't know about me probably is 10 years prior to that, in 2008 to 2018, I had this inner dialogue going on in my mind. I want to start a business, and I would do some research, and I'd make some calls, and I would decide to do something, and that decision would last 12 hours or maybe 2 days, and then nah, it's not really for me. I got to be the person that's in a W-2 position because there's security in that paycheck. I cannot afford not to have a paycheck every 2 weeks, every week, however you get paid. And that just stumped me the entire time for a better part of 10 years, a better part of a decade of my life. And many of you that are out there today listening to me, you're thinking the same thing. And you've been thinking about this for a long time. Now, if you're in your 20s and 30s, man, praise God, you've got plenty of time, I think. No one knows the day and the hour of how long we're going to live on this earth, but you should have a lot of time to process something. But when you're like me, when you're in your late 40s, when I made this decision, man, I don't know how much longer I've got here on earth. And I want to help a lot of people. I want to maximize the freedom that I have with my family and do the things that I want to do, and not just punch in a clock and not work there Monday through Friday and only have the weekends. And I don't have a weekend lifestyle. My wife and I will go to dinner and different things during the week. FYI, kind of pro tip, the crowds are a little bit less, not as many people eating dinner on a Tuesday night, Wednesday night, things like that. But I want to help you. And how you can start right now is you've got to make a decision. You've got to make a decision for yourself and for your family. And how you do that is you schedule a call with me. All you got to do is click the link down below, schedule a consultation call with me. That's the first step. We get on a Zoom call. We talk about this business. We talk about if it's even a fit for you. We talk about all the opportunities that are in this industry. And I tell you, it's just, my heart is so warm and just full of joy when our business is able to help a senior at no cost, no obligation. It's just an amazing feeling. And apart from the money, I've got to the place now in our business that I don't even look at the money anymore. It's all about helping people. Now, I cannot honestly say before God that that's the way I felt at the very beginning, because when you first start a business, obviously you need cash flow, you need to exist, you need to maintain what you're doing. Hopefully you can grow and maintain some sort of budget that you have. But you will get to a place where you'll just make a lot of money because you've established your brand. You've been in the industry for a long time. There's a lot of people in my own area. I live in California, central part of California, and a lot of people have come and gone in this industry. There's a lot of new senior placement agents in my area right now. But some of the older ones have either retired or gone on doing something else. There's plenty of opportunity. The industry is not saturated by no means. I get that question a lot. Is this industry saturated? And I laugh because a lot of my friends are in real estate. And if I think anything's saturated, it's real estate. The average real estate agent's making $52,000 to $56,000 per year. Not a whole lot of money. You can work in this business part-time and make six figures. It's unbelievable. Full-timers do anywhere from 5 to 10 move-ins per month. That's anywhere from $250,000 to $500,000 a year. Now, if you do some research on franchises that are out there, they all charge $75,000 to $125,000 up front, $3,000 per month for about a 10-year period of time. Comes up to about $250,000 you're going to be spending. Now, it's not to bag the franchises that are out there, because you're going to make a lot of money in this industry, but you don't need to have that kind of money up front to get started in this industry. We've got plenty of courses and coaching that we can help you get started. Something as easy as $99. I mean, it's a 3-day recorded workshop. It's $100. I mean, a lot of us spend $100 on a dinner, right? Or something else. So it would get you started. Now, it wouldn't give you the documents, things like that. There's some courses you're going to need to purchase to get involved fully in the business. But at least that would give you a taste. I've got over 900 videos on this channel you can watch and get some free content. But I'm telling you, this is the best decision I ever made in my life was 2018. Because that 10-year period of time, from 2008, 2018, when I was in that place of indecision, not knowing what I was going to do, always taking a step forward, 2 steps back. Taking a step, 2 steps back. I thought I was making progress by doing something like that. I thought I was doing myself a favor and doing myself some good by doing some research and constantly researching, and it didn't get me anywhere. The only time it got me somewhere is when I actually made a decision. And the only decision you got to make today is schedule a call, schedule a consultation call with myself. It'll be me. I've got a team, but I don't have a sales team that gets on there and tries to sell you anything. I want to make sure you're a good fit in this industry. I want to make sure you're a person of empathy. I want to make sure you're a person that will put other people first, be an advocate for seniors. And if that's you, it doesn't matter if you're a teacher, stay-home mom, you're in real estate, whatever else you're doing. If that's the type individual you are, you would be fantastic in this industry. And I say that wholeheartedly because that's the foundation. The other stuff you can learn. Now, this business is not overly complex by no means. You don't need a Harvard degree, you don't need specialized training, but you do need to understand how the process works. You do need to understand how lead generation works. You do need to understand strategies and how to operate this business more efficiently and effectively. I will teach you all that. But the first decision you need to make is schedule that call and say, you know what, I'm at least going to get on a call with Matt and find out if I'm a fit for this business, if this would even coincide with my dreams and aspirations, things that I want to do in life. Because I don't know about you, but with me, I want more family time. I want more free time. I want more time to do the things that I want to do. Now, I don't travel that much, but if that's you and you want to travel, this business affords that opportunity for you. All you need is a cell phone, a laptop, something like that. You can email people, text, make phone calls, and this business just flows that way. It's such a great business. Again, it's very fulfilling because you're helping people. Also, it's very rewarding because the amount of money you'll make. But it only starts with you making a decision today to say, hey, I'm going to make that call. I'm going to schedule one right now. I'm not going to delay. And then let's talk about it. Let's talk about it for 20, 30 minutes on a Zoom call. And if it's for you, it might be the best consultation call you've ever had in your life. It could be a game changer. And if it's not, hey, we got a chance to know about the industry a little bit. We got a chance to talk. No big deal, 20, 30 minutes. I wish I did more of that back in 2008 because I'd be at a very different place. And again, financially, we're doing really well. But I can't begin to think if I made a decision back in 2008 where I would be differently today. So my challenge to you today is schedule a call. Let's get on a call today. Again, I'm just thinking about you. And this is an opportunity for you to learn something, and it doesn't take that much to learn, and we can get you up and going in a week. I got many students that have done 2 or 3 move-ins their first month. I got many students that have done thousands of dollars their first month. And I got some, again, that have taken 2 or 3 months to kind of get started, get ramped up. But it is a legitimate business, and it's a lot of fun. And I just want to come on today and encourage you to schedule that call with me today. I'd look forward to talking with you. I look forward to hearing about what you want to do. And I'll be able to map out for you exactly what your days will look like, your week will look like. I'll help you out with your scheduling. I'll help you out with strategies that you're definitely going to need in this industry. And I can't wait for you to become one of my newest testimonies. Someone that says, man, I took a leap of faith and I'm doing this. It's a lot of fun. It's a game changer. It's life changing. And I would encourage you to do that today. So I just want to come on here today, talk to you just for a couple minutes. But I look forward to you to schedule that call on the Zoom. And until next time, God bless.